Hey guys, it's my review back with another video, and in this video we are going to talk about Oppo K1, its pros and cons along with should you buy and my opinion about other competitions. So everything will be in this video, so don't miss the video and watch it till the end, otherwise you will suffer or you may suffer in the future. So first up, talking about the pros. So this device comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot, so you don't have to worry about 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM and 1 SD card, so that is quite a good thing. Next is about 3.5 mm headphone jack, which is present in this device. Another thing is 25 megapixel selfie camera and 16 plus 2 megapixel rear camera, where I am quite disappointed about the 2 megapixel camera, which I'm going to mention you in the cons section. Another thing is the main highlight of the device, which is under display fingerprint scanner, and heads off for Oppo to give us this kind of specification with the under display fingerprint scanner at this kind of price segment, which I'm going to mention it in the video. So the design looks quite premium with gradient black, and the color name are quite confusing. I'm gonna add that on the video, so you may check that. And another thing is about the face unlock in the device, which is very fast and responsive and unlocks every time you try and unlock the device. Next thing is about 6.4-inch Full HD plus AMOLED panel, and that is absolutely insane guys, because none of them provide AMOLED panel in this segment. Oppo need to provide the AMOLED panel, because without that the under display fingerprint scanner won't work. So another thing is about the Snapdragon 660, which is also one of the best performer in the price segment. Another thing is about the protection on the device. So it doesn't matter how better a smartphone is, but protection is always the first priority, which has Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and I am quite satisfied about that. And finally, let's talk about pricing, and it is 17K approx. Now talking about the cons of the device, there are not much cons in this device, but as always I have been telling you that none of the devices are perfect, so we always have some cons in it. It has 3600 milliampere hour battery, but to charge it we don't have any fast charging support. We don't even ask the superbook charging, but just kind of 18-watt charging or simply around that they should have given us, but I think they just did some cost cutting kind of things. And another thing is about the implementation of micro USB port. So at this segment, and if you are gonna produce a perfect smartphone, then why not to add a USB type C cable, which today's users demand. So another thing is about Android 8.1 Oreo. You don't need to worry, it will obviously be upgraded to Android 9 Pie, but as always every company has some policies to give the major Android update, and they are launching it in 8.1 Oreo, so you may get P but not Q, so like that it works. And another con is about the 2 megapixel depth sensor. Today we obviously need at least 5 megapixel depth sensor, because 2 megapixel is just for USB kind of things, so I'm not quite satisfied about that. So these are all pros and cons about the device. So now let us move towards should you buy it or not. So if you like the on-display fingerprint scanner and AMOLED panel, then you may obviously go with this device at this price segment. But if that does not quite matters you, then you may obviously go for Redmi Note 7 or Redmi Note 7 Pro, which is not launched globally but is expected to be launched in the month of February. So again, I would like to mention that if you like the AMOLED panel and the under display fingerprint scanner so much, then you may not find any better options than this smartphone. But if you just damn care about those things, then obviously go for Redmi Note 7 and Note or Redmi Note 7 Pro, which are absolutely insane. So these are my opinions about the smartphone. Smartphone is very good in its price segment and competing all other. So this is it for today guys. So if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, Hit the subscribe button, also press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Share the video if you liked it, and till my next video, peace.